Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jamal Nasir. I'm from class 40 BIC, and today we are going to learn about descriptive text. Have you ever described your favorite food, animal, or your best friend maybe? If you have, it means that you have already used descriptive text in your daily life. Yeah. In this lesson, we will learn that descriptive text is structure and how to describe people, animal, your best friend using simple English sentence. So, are you ready, guys, to learn about descriptive text? Okay, if you're ready, let's start our lesson. So, in this slide is introduction. What is a descriptive text? Descriptive text is a type of text used to describe a person, an animal, a plant, and a place. So it helps reader imagine that characteristic of the object being described. In descriptive text, we usually explain the appearance, qualities, and special features of the subject using simple present tense. Jadi pada descriptive text ini menjelaskan sesuatu seperti keterampilan dan juga kualitasnya. Jadi ini descriptive text ini kayak menjelaskan, nah bola bentuknya bulat. Nah, itu yang dinamakan descriptive text. Next. Okay, we start first slide, yeah. The part 1 about animals. So it's a two picture an animal. There's a kitten and then snail. So we'll describe it about kitten. Kitten has a soft white fur and he has a beautiful blue eyes, and then he has ears are small and pointed, and then he has a cute and adorable. Jadi ya anak kucing ini mendescribe dia mempunyai bulu lembut, nah dia juga warna putih, lalu dia mempunyai mata yang indah, matanya itu warna biru ya. Lalu anak kucing ini mempunyai telinga yang kecil banget telinganya. Lalu di ujung telinganya itu agak kelancipan gitu. Dan juga anak kucing ini sangat imut dan juga menggemaskan. Nah, that's all it means describe about kitten atau si anak kucing. Next is snail. Snail, it means siput. Snail has a soft body, snail has shell, and it has move very slowly, and then it has a too long a tentacle in our head. Jadi pada siput ini mendeskripsikan dia mempunyai badan yang licin dan juga lembut, dan juga dia mempunyai cangkang yang kuat. Lalu si siput ini jalannya lambat, bergerak tuh lambat banget, dan dia juga ada seperti tentakelnya itu ya, kayak antennya gitu di kepalanya dia. Nah, it means that describe snail, ya. Next is part 2 about food. There's a two picture. There's one is chicken noodles and the second is lollipop. So we check it together, guys. Okay, the first is chicken noodles. Chicken noodles has a delicious and tasty, and it is served with vegetable and then mixed with meatballs. Jadi pada describe ini mie ayam rasanya enak dan juga lezat. Mie ayam ini dicampuri oleh sayur-sayuran dan juga bakso. Then there's a picture lollipop. Yeah, lollipop has a tree describe it. It has a sweet, colorful, and then many flavor. So lollipop has a sweet flavor, and then it has a colorful like red, yellow, green, blue, and the others. And then lollipop has a many flavor ya. Jadi lollipop ini mendeskripsikan rasanya manis, penuh warna, warnanya warna-warni dan juga banyak rasanya. Ya. Okay, that's about describe about food. And the next slide is part 3 about person. So there's a 3 picture about person, and the first is children, the second is professor, and the third is student. Oh, student is photo myself, yeah. Okay, sorry. So let's check it out about children. Children has a different hair, is smiling, and then there is happy, and then there's a weird colorful clothes ya. Jadi anak-anak ini mereka mempunyai perbedaan rambut seperti warna, dan juga ada yang rambutnya panjang dan juga ada yang pendek. And then there is smiling and happy. Mereka tersenyum dan juga bahagia. Itulah anak-anak. And then there's a weird colorful clothes. Mereka juga memakai baju-baju yang berbeda. Ada yang warna kuning, biru, dan juga ada yang bermotif gitu, bercarak gitu ya. Okay, that's about children's describe it. And the second is professor picture ya. There's intelligent, neat, sweet, and there he's smiling, and then the knowledgeable man. So it means that professor is an intelligent person, and then there's a neat, sweet, and then there's smiling and the knowledgeable. Beliau sangat cerdas dan juga memakai pakaian yang rapi, dan juga beliau suka tersenyum dan juga berpendidikan. Okay, that's about professor. And the last is student ya. Student has his diligent, and then he's a smiling, and there's a black hair, and there's he's still young. Oke, jadi pada gambar yang satu ini menerangkan describe student, murid. Nah, pada gambar tersebut muridnya ini sangat rajin dan dia suka tersenyum, dan dia apalagi? Oh ya, there's a wear a black jacket. Dia memakai jaket berwarna hitam, dan dia here's a black hair, rambutnya hitam. And then here still young, dia masih muda, masih ya remaja lah gitu. Okay, that's all about person ya guys. Okay, next is part 1. I mean that's the last describe ya. Okay, so there's a 2 picture about a plant. The first picture is a rose, and the second is jasmine. First picture is a rose. Rose has a red petals, and rose has a pleasant smell, and rose is beauty flower ya. And rose is a green leaf. Oke, teman-teman. Jadi bunga mawar ini mempunyai kelopak berwarna merah, dan bunga mawar ini wanginya itu harum ya, dan juga cantik bunga mawar ini. And then a green leaf. Green leaf itu artinya daunnya berwarna hijau di bawah kelopak warna merah itu. And then the last is jasmine. Jasmine in Indonesia is bunga melati. Jasmine has a white petals. It has a fragrant smell, and then here's a beauty, and then fresh. Jasmine atau bunga melati. Bunga melati ini warnanya putih kelopaknya, lalu warnanya sangat segar, segar dan juga beauty. Bunga melati ini sangat indah dan juga segar. Okay, maybe that's all about described text. Yeah, guys. So today we learned about descriptive text and how to describe people, animal, and then plant. I hope you enjoy the lesson and learn something new today. So don't forget to practice describing the things around you in English. And thank you for your participation. See you next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.